The wheel pins secure the cutter wheel and the rollers to your pipe cutter. They come in a package of 5. The pins have a retaining ring attached to one end that secure them to the cutter. Over time, the pins can come loose and be lost. The pin can wear down from the rollers or cutter rubbing against them. Replacing the wheel pins is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old wheel pins from the pipe cutter. I'll use a punch and hammer to remove the pins. I'll place the pipe cutter onto a couple pieces of 2x4 so the pins can be knocked out. I'll start with the cutter wheel. To install the new pin, I'll rotate the cutter over, align the wheel with the casting, and then install the new pin. The pins fit into slots in the casting. You may need to use some pliers to align the pin with the casting. And I'll do the same thing on the 2 roller wheels. Again, I align the roller with the casting. And tap the new pin into place. And now you can replace the wheel pins on your pipe cutter. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.